Hey everyone, welcome back. Lately, I've been seeing this method popping up all over the internet. People are saying you can get unlimited AC credits in Airline Commander straight from your phone. No PC, nothing complicated. At first, I wasn't sure what to think. It sounded a little too smooth to be real, so I decided to test it myself and see if it actually works. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what I did, step by step, and show you the final results from the cockpit. The first thing you need is your player ID. You can usually find it in your profile or somewhere in the settings. I found mine pretty quickly and copied it so I could use it in the next step. It's super straightforward, nothing tricky here. Next, I opened up my phone's browser. I'm using Chrome, but honestly, any browser will do. I searched for the website everyone's been talking about that's linked to Airline Commander Unlimited AC credits. The page loaded smoothly, no weird pop-ups, no redirects, nothing sketchy. Honestly, I was a bit surprised. It looked clean, simple, and totally normal, ready for takeoff. Once on the site, I selected my platform. I'm on Android, but there was an iOS option too. Then I pasted in my player ID and double-checked everything before moving on. After tapping the button, the site showed a short loading process with animations. Nothing froze or crashed, it all ran smoothly. Next, it asked how many AC credits I wanted to add. For this test, I went all out and picked the maximum amount just to see what would happen. After confirming, a few progress bars popped up showing each step being completed. Everything was clear, easy to follow, and laid out really well. No confusion at all. Before finishing, there was a quick verification step. The instructions were simple and straightforward, so it wasn't tricky. I had already completed that part earlier, so now let's jump straight to the results. To see if it actually worked, I reopened Airline Commander and checked my AC credits balance. And just like that, the extra credits were already there. No restarting the game, no waiting around. It updated instantly, which honestly caught me by surprise. So based on my test, the method worked exactly as described. The steps were simple, everything was mobile friendly, and it was easy to follow as long as you pay attention. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest tests and reviews. And if you've tried this method yourself, drop a comment and let me know how it went. I read every one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.